Automations are overrated, and most people, myself included, spend too much time thinking about how to automate every single little thing. But here's the truth, we often spend more time automating tasks that doesn't matter instead of focusing on activities that truly impact our bottom line and grow our business. In this video, I'm going to talk about the only automation you need to close more deals. This automation helped me close a $2,500 deal in less than an hour. The automation I'm talking about is getting notified the moment a new lead enters your pipeline. But here's the catch. You have to respond as fast as possible. If you contact a lead while they are still at their computer, there's a high chance they'll respond immediately. That means you can schedule a call right then or even close the sale on the spot. Honestly, depending on where your leads come from, you might not even need a fancy automation. For example, if you get leads from cold email, funnel all replies to a single inbox and turn notification on. When you get notified, reply fast, keep them warm, close the deal. If you get leads from a website contact form, turn on notifications for the email receiving the submissions. Don't want notifications? If you use Slack, you can create an automation so that every new email triggers a Slack notification. Tools like Zapier, Make, or N8N make this super easy. Before we dive into how this applies to B2C stores, here's a quick clip of Alex Ramosi sharing his perspective on why responding fast to leads is a game changer.
I just met a business owner who had one of the craziest stats I've ever heard. He was closing 55% of leads, not people he talked to, leads. And I was like, dude, how on earth are you doing that? And he's like, it's pretty simple. I pay one girl $60,000 a year to do nothing but just call leads within 60 seconds.
The key here is not that he had a dedicated resource to do this, is that they replied in 60 seconds.
And I was like, well, how many leads a day do you get? He said 2 or 3. So I was like, hold on, you get 2 to 3 leads a day. And this person, do they do anything else? He said, no, they have no other responsibilities in the business besides whatever you're doing. You have to stop, put 10 notifications on your phone so that you never miss it, and then call them immediately.
You might wonder how this applies if you sell direct to customer. Simple. Most stores have a contact form or chat feature. Whenever a customer reaches out with a question, respond within 5 minutes. You'll dramatically increase your chance of converting that lead into a buying customer. You're probably thinking, why should I drop everything for a potential customer who might not even buy? But let me tell you this. Looking back at every customer I've signed, the majority closed because I replied immediately. Speed builds trust, show professionalism, and put you ahead of the competition. The faster you respond, the faster you close.